Welcome back. We have to solve this one. That is root 9 and root 8, all that is square root. You know that 9 is equals to 3 square and 8 is equals to 2 cube. Okay, that is it. Hence, we are going to have root of 3 square root minus 2 cube square root of that. Okay, so that at this point, this man and this man will cancel. Hence, we are left with square root of what? 3 minus 2 cube. Oh, we can have 8 as well. 2 square times 2. That would be what? 2 square times 2. Square root of this, we have this and this will cancel. We are left with 2 root 2. Hence, we are left with 2 root 2. All that to the square root. Okay? Hence, we have to remove this one to make this one go out. Okay. We know also that A minus B all that square is equals to what? A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, our objective is to make sure that this thing should resemble something like this one, so that we have A minus B all that square and remove the square root. And the question is, how can this happen? Okay, let's try to manipulate this one. This 3 can be changed to what? 3 is equals to what? 2 plus 1. Okay, 3 is equals to what? 2 plus 1 implies 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. Visualize at this point, we can just have this times what? Square root of 1 for better viewing. All this have a square root at the top. Okay, we want to have something like this. Okay, having 2 plus 1, we can have that is what? Square root of 2 minus 2 root 2 root 1 plus 1. Okay, now taking a look at this one, it's the same thing as what? If you have 1 and root 2, so that all that square, so that 1 times 1 we have 1. Okay, 1 times root 2 we have minus root 2, and that we have minus root 2, and this one we have plus